Hello everyone. Let's try to create an oscillate value node inside C4D nodes. Let's start here. First, we need an object just to be sure that things are working. Let's grab a cube and put in there. So the cube's in the scene now. And now let's operate in the matrix of this cube, right? So let's compose a matrix just to have an easy way to access it. Like compose matrix, then compose vector 3D, because translation, scale, and rotation, each one is a vector 3D. In this case, we're gonna, just use the Y value, right? And then let's use the time here because I need some information that is changing during time, right? So first of all, let's grab the, let's multiply and like this, and then let's multiply the scene time and then feed it into the Y value and see what happened. Currently nothing is happening because I'm multiplying by 0. Multiplying by 0, that means that it will be 0. Let's multiply by 5. So as you can see, it's already starting to move around. It's just moving. It's not what we want currently. What we want is a up and down thingy. For that, we're gonna use a sin node, and then we plug this in here, and then we plug it there, right? Now it's already working. It's already working, and with this, I can change the frequency now, right? So I have like 5 frequency and the scene, but unfortunately, as you can see, I can't see the a more broad movement. To do that, we're gonna need a another multiplication node, multiply here, and then I can multiply it by some value like this. And then we have a oscillate value thingy. I can grab those 4 nodes here. I can now group them. Yeah, let's group them, and let's propagate those values here. This one is the frequency, if I remember correctly, and the other one is the amplitude. So we're gonna propagate those parts because they will be needed if we want to. So this one is frequency, and then this one, let's propagate this part, and let's call it amplitude, right? And also there are one interesting thing is the operation in this trigonometry node, which is interesting to propagate as well. So maybe we can propagate the operation. And yeah, I guess the operation is already good. So let's move it down, and then we have this thing here. Now I can call my node here, oscillate node. Oops, sorry. Oscillate node, and we have the operation, the amplitude, and frequency. The operation here is interesting because if you change the operation, then you have different things happening, you see? And it's quite interesting because it's, it's very powerful and quite easier to create from scratch. So there we go. We have a oscillate node here that I can use to plug here, and also to plug in another thing like rotation. Of course, you need to use a value that is, I don't know, let's use 1, and frequency 1, just to have something that is, you know, slow. And then, yeah, those values here, they will depend on the operation and give you different values. But as you can see, it's quite easier to create this oscillate node, and you can use this one to deliver a value into any kind of you know, data part, value part, let's say. So as you can see, this is our let's say very simple oscillate node, and now we can save as an asset, convert to asset oscillate node, and I can set here to, I don't know, whatever I want to save this in the preferences is fine. And then I can use into, I don't know, nodes and utility. Let's save in utility node. And there we go. Now every time I call now oscillate node, there is a node called oscillate, and I can use it for whatever I want. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time, buddies.